Hey Joshua 108.
Hey Sam Rovio fan, what do we want to do today since we're not grounded anymore?
How about we can go to the Go Animate business?
That's a great idea Sam Rovio fan, let's go.
Sam Roviathan and Joshua 108, how dare you go into the Go Animate business without permission? That's it, we are calling your parents right now.
No.
No 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 no.
Hello Sam Roviathan's parents and Joshua 108's parents. Did you know your sons went to, they into our Go Animate business video without permission? Can you please ground them? Bye.
Joshua 108, how dare you go into Go Animate business video without permission? That's it, you are grounded for 783243536414583963932531234567893 years.
Sam Roviathan, how dare you go into the Go Animate business video without permission? That's it, you are grounded for 735323581503527639000123456789343 years.
Now go upstairs to your rooms right now.